Hello everyone, welcome. For those who are new to Autodesk Inventor software may wonder, why is iLogic? It's a tool that allows Inventor users to create routines to automate common tasks, which means it can be used to create an additional feature that could simplify and make your life easier. Do you ever hope that one day your 3D model could automatically convert into a drawing? Do you ever feel frustrated that there's even a need to go through all this hideous and repetitive process to make the drawings? Even worse, if you receive an assembly that contains 15 components, do you have to create a drawing for each of these components? That is a total of 15 components and 15 drawings. Luckily, we are here to introduce you an iLogic that could simplify this process. To get started, go to your Autodesk Inventor software. If you haven't set up an Inventor workspace, I would highly advise you to set it up on a local drive before working with Inventor. Next, download the drawing automation source files. As you may see, there are a total of 3 directories and 1 README instruction text file. Copy these source files into your Autodesk Inventor's workspace. Now go back to your Autodesk Inventor software. Open a 3D model to navigate into iLogic browser. It is easier to set up the drawing automation iLogic along with a 3D model. Now, find the iLogic browser. If you couldn't find it, it's probably hiding here. Go to Global Forms. Right-click, open containing folder. Now, go to the Autodesk Inventor workspace. Copy the XML files from this directory to the corresponding directory and paste. Go back to Autodesk Inventor software, right-click, refresh. After the refresh, a drawing automation UI will appear. Now, go to Tools, Options, iLogic Configuration to set up for the external rule. Click here to import the external rule. Go to your Autodesk Inventor workspace. Find the external rule file. Click OK to import. And once you are done, you are all set. Here's a quick demo on what you can do with iLogic drawing automation. You can click Setup to set up for the parameter for this iLogic, or you can remove to remove the drawing automation setting. But since we are going to use it for the quick demo, we're going to set it up. And now there are 2 choices. The README instruction text file will explain what these 2 options will do. Pick one, pick create. It will generate a DWG drawing file. After you generate a drawing file, save this file on top of the assembly. We have the assembly fishing rod model assembly right here in the workspace. If we save the drawing file on top in the same directory of this assembly model, running the drawing automation again will generate all of its components into this drawing assembly file. Let me do a quick demonstration. Here we go. Multi-sheet again. Create. All of its components will generate along its way. That's pretty much it. Remember, this is important. If it works only if you save your drawing file on a drawing on the same directory along with the assembly model. The, if you have set up the iLogic configuration correctly, the drawing automation should work with any 3D models, 3D assemblies, or 3D components. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.